In a quiet African village, there stood an old church with a giant bell. Every evening, when the sun went down, the bell rang across the land. Dong, dong, dong. People stopped. They bowed their heads and whispered prayers. But one boy did not care. His name was Kola. Kola laughed at the bell. He shouted, "That old bell can't protect anyone. Ghosts aren't real." The villagers warned him, "Kola, don't mock the bell. It is God's reminder. Respect it." But Kola only laughed harder. One night, after the bell rang, Kola walked home alone. The path was dark, filled with mist. Suddenly, a cold wind blew and whispers filled the air. "Kola, Kola, laugh at the bell again." Kola turned and saw them. Ghosts surrounded him, circling closer and closer. They whispered, "Mock it now or play with us forever." Kola shook in fear. For the first time, he knew terror. But just as the ghost reached out, a bright golden light burst from the sky. An angel appeared, tall, radiant, holding a sword of fire. The ghost shrieked and vanished into smoke. The angel turned to Kola and said, "The bell does not ring to scare you. It rings to remind people that God watches over them. Respect it, and you will never walk in darkness again." The next morning, when the bell rang, Kola was the first to bow his head in prayer. Never again did he laugh at the church bell. Instead, he prayed with the villagers. And the boy who once mocked the bell became its loudest defender.